Children are still joining. Some of them are joining as guests. After some time, we'll note down the absentees. Thank you so much, Netra. That day, I had completely forgotten about the attendance, and you shared it in the group. Very thoughtful of you.
Welcome, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, Chal. That is how I like children to be proactive. Yes. Now, coming to ethics, what do you mean by ethics? Before you see the screen, you tell me, what do you mean by ethics? What do you understand by the term ethics? Who will tell me? Whatever you feel. It's not necessary that you need to tell me the dictionary meaning or something like that. What do you feel in your own words? And I'm sure you'll have done business ethics even in commerce, if I'm not mistaken. So you tell me, you should be able to tell me properly what do you mean by ethics.
Rules and regulations.
A study of what right or wrong in human behaviors.
Very good.
Morals. Virtues.
Yes, very good. Study of what is right or what is wrong. Very good, Divya. So we are talking about what is morally correct and what is morally incorrect. What you're supposed to do, how you're supposed to behave, and how you're not supposed to behave. That would be called as ethical. Simple example, if I am a manufacturer, okay, I'm a manufacturer and I've manufactured a good for maybe 100 rupees, and I decide to charge you 200 rupees for it. Is it correct? Is it ethically correct?
No.
Why? What is the role of any business?
To get
What is the
profit.
Exactly. Who said that?
Muskan.
Yes, Muskan, very good. So the aim of any business organization is to earn profit. So why not, if I'm a manufacturer, if I have manufactured the goods for 100 rupees, why can't I sell it for 200 rupees then? Isn't it correct that I have every right to earn profit? Who's going to stop me? What is wrong in it? You tell me.
Ma'am, but
Yes.
it's not truthful to the customers.
Why, Nikita? I have spent 100 rupees on it, okay, and I am a business person. I'm not here to do or indulge in any sort of charity. I have spent 100 rupees. I'm expecting some profit out of it. So what if it's 100%? So Nikita feels it's not right. Who else feels it's not right? Okay, yeah, tell me, Muskan doesn't feel it's. Why do you all think? What is the harm in it when you yourself told me, Muskan, that it is okay, that the aim of every business organization is to earn profit. Then what is the harm in charging 100 rupees as profit? Mansi also
Ma'am,
doesn't
because
agree.
it will uh, it will be too costly for the buyer. Like if you invest 100 rupees, means the product or something will always also be of like 100 rupees, 150 rupees. 200 will be too much to charge because probably the investment is not enough. So the quality might differ. There can be other issues with that also.
Okay, so somewhere you find something is not right. Mansi, what is your viewpoint? Muskan told me her viewpoint. What is your viewpoint?
Ma'am, it is morally not right since we will be exploiting customers by charging too large price for our profit.
Okay, very good. So that means basically you all think it's okay for a businessman to earn profit, but not 100% profit. That means you are exploiting the customers. That is what you feel. This is exactly what we talk about when we speak about ethics. what is morally correct. See, it's okay, you can earn profit. Somebody else might think it's okay, I'm a businessman, I'm going to make profit, it's by hook or by crook. Under any circumstance, my aim is to earn profit and I'm going to achieve that target. Doesn't matter to me if some customers are feeling that they are being exploited or whatever it is. It doesn't concern me one bit. I am here to make profit and I'll ensure that I earn enough profit. So a lot of people may consider that way. So, so what do you basically mean by it? It means a set of rules or principles that the organization should follow. Now, while in business ethics, ethics refers to a code of conduct that businesses are expected to follow while doing business. There is a set of set of rules and regulations which every business organization is expected to follow. Sometimes when you do not follow those rules and regulations, you are termed as being an exploiter, you exploit the customers. A standard is set for the organization to regulate their behavior, basically. And you get to know what is the right or the wrong part you're dealing in. What, okay, this is right and that is wrong, or that is right and this is wrong. So you are able to distinguish between the two sides. Now, how you all told me, on the one hand, Muskan says it's okay, every business organization is here to make profit. On the other hand, she says that it's not fair on the part of the manufacturer to charge them full 100% profit. So it means that somewhere you agree and somewhere you disagree with certain things. So this is what we are talking about. What is correct? And sometimes it so happens that what is right for me may not be necessarily right for you and vice versa. That also happens. That is why we see all kinds of people doing business in society. There are some who are considerate towards their customers, while on the other hand, certain people are totally ruthless. So ethics are formed in the organization and they are based on the creation of a human mind. Like I told you just now, what I may consider correct, you may not consider so. So, and vice versa. So it depends on the influence of the place, the time, and the situation. At times, people take advantage of the situation. Now, somebody is in need of money. Okay, usually I may give loan on maybe 8% interest, but I feel this person who has come to me is in dire needs of money and he or she needs it very very urgently. I'll try to exploit the situation and I say you will have to pay me 9% interest since you have come to me at the last moment, then only I can help you. Otherwise, I have already committed to somebody else. See, I know you are in need of money, so I'm trying to exploit your situation. I'm saying that instead of 8%, if you pay me 9%, I'll give you the money. Because otherwise, I had already committed to someone and had asked them to give me 8% interest on the same. So this is called as taking advantage of somebody else's situation, the plight that they are in, or taking undue advantage of them. So it depends from person to person, it depends from place to place, it depends on from time to time. Earlier, if you see children, even if you talk about loans and all that, the interest rates were too high. Today, of course, the interest rates have come down. Earlier it was too high. So it depends, situation to situation, time to time, depends. Then even the savings account, when you used to get interest rate on your SB accounts, that also used to be a little higher earlier. Now you get very less since the interest rate for the loans have come down. Even your savings account interest rates have come down. Okay. Ethics, code of conduct is another term that is used extensively in business nowadays. And they are a set of rules and you are expected to follow them. Ethical principles in businesses from an Indian perspective. Okay, what are they? Let us see what are the three ethical principles that any business unit or organization is expected to follow in a business organization. Let us see what are they. First is known as integrity. What is integrity? Apart from seeing here, can anybody tell me what is integrity?
Honesty.
Yes, very good, Nikita. So when we speak about integrity, that means you're honest with the job that you are doing. It's very, very important. Now, uh, it happens that people work in an organization, okay, and supposing you are in charge of the stock or the stationery of that particular organization. What happens? You get lot of stationery stuff. So what do? I have got so many stationery items here. Few if I take it home. How does it matter? What is wrong in it? I'll take a few pen from there, from few papers from there, books from there, erasers from there. I'll take it home. Is it okay? See, there is such a lot. The organization is also making profit. So why not? I also take some part of it. Since I am the in charge for this, let me take it. Is it right? What am I doing here? Am I showing integrity?
No.
No.
No, you think you're